You can now create HD ultra-realistic avatars.
without any image editing or VFX software.
AI influencers like me.
Or me.
Or even me.
You can use these avatars to be the face of your entire social media channel and make money without ever having to stand in front of a camera.
Hi, I'm Salim from VEED, and we've created some of the most advanced AI models out there, competing with the likes of VO 3.1 and Sora 2. So why would you use AI avatars? Well, creating videos is hard. It's expensive, it takes a lot of time, and even if you have the time and budget, presenting naturally on camera is a skill of its own. Trust me, I've been doing this for years, and I still stumble over my words. My name is Salim from VEED, and today I'm going to show you from VEED and Sora 2. Even setting up a studio is hard. It takes hours to learn about lighting, framing, audio equipment. Plus, I have to physically be here all the time if I want to record. So any spur of the moment ideas or quick changes we want to make are usually a really big effort and not really worth the time. So what's the alternative? How do you create more content without burning out or hiring 14 people? AI avatars. But not the stiff robotic ones you're used to seeing. Ultra-realistic, natural-looking ones like you saw at the beginning of this video. At VEED, we think we've nailed the process.
I can host your product reviews, TikToks, LinkedIn explainers, and I never ask for retakes.
Oh yes, you can even turn me into a video presenter. Professional? Maybe? Entertaining? Absolutely.
Perfect for education, explainer videos, YouTube intros, you name it.
And if you want a presenter that looks and sounds exactly like you, well, hi.
And that's only the beginning, because VEED Fabric is built into a fully equipped AI-powered editing suite. That means you can add animated captions, make cuts and trims, use AI for smart reframing, change the background, and even upload your own brand's design elements so everything's consistent. In other words, you can make your video exactly like you want. No extra tools, no switching tabs, nothing. All right, let me show you how to make your own avatar. Hit New Project, and then on the left side, go to Generate under the Video tab. This is where the magic happens. Here you have three options. 1. Upload a clear photo of you, facing the camera with good lighting to create a clone of yourself. 2. Pick one of the realistic looking avatars we have available. Or option number 3, upload an image of the character you want to turn into an avatar. Bonus tip, you can use one of our amazing AI text-to-image generators to create an image from a simple text prompt. And now, the script. You can either type exactly what you want your avatar to say, or you can record your script using your microphone for a perfect clone of your voice. Then, go grab an iced tea, or go do something productive with all the time you're saving. And there you go! You have a clear-sounding, natural-looking AI avatar ready to go. And now you can make your video fully on brand. Add your logos, change your fonts, add your brand colors. Everything you need is right there. Trim, cut, reframe, add captions, it's all built in. The options are virtually endless. So whether you want to make more content, save time, or just not be on camera at 9 a.m., VEED Fabric's AI avatars can help you create high-quality videos in minutes.
And I can help too. I'm literally always ready.
Give it a try. Create your first avatar today.